How many times have you struggled with a padlock? Their design is ugly and cumbersome. They provide poor theft protection, and the key is just one more thing to keep up with. Traditional padlocks are obsolete. We need a new, high-tech solution. Anytek technology brings you this solution with their cutting-edge lock technology. Anytek's intelligent lock utilizes integrated fingerprint lock and unlock functions. The other practical functions make traditional padlocks a thing of the past. With Anytek's IP66 waterproof and dustproof design, there is no need to worry about rain damage to the lock. Perfect for outdoor use. The built-in Super CPU chip supports up to 10 sets of fingerprints and can be quickly started anytime and anywhere through the included mobile app. Touch ID unlock is lightning fast, taking only 1 second to unlock. The mini lock design is light and portable. Carry it with you around the world. Theft and anti-destruction, its seamless one-piece case is made entirely of zinc alloy. Case can withstand pressure above your property. Compatibility with USB charging interface. Low power mode allows for ultra-long operation. Charging for 2 hours allows for more than 1,000 hours of use and provides a standby time of more than 1 year. With this kind of power, there is no concern of failure.